In this video, I'm going to share with you how we can reset the Ring outdoor camera, Ring the stick up camera. And it's like really simple. So this is what you have to do. From the bottom where you have the battery, you just want to like get rid of the part of it, like just unscrew it. Then you're gonna have this orange button. You're gonna locate it right there, here under the battery. And what you have to do, you just have to press it 10 to 20 seconds. So again, you're just gonna take this part out, and then you just like screw it out. And then what you have to do, you just have to press this orange button 10 to 20 seconds, and then you're gonna reset the device. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. And I really hope it's going to fix the issue that you have with the camera, if you have some. So thank you very much for watching, and let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you. I really like making these kind of quick and effective videos for you, so you know actually what you're getting. So have a great day and goodbye.